Hello everyone, today I'm gonna teach you about introduction of jQuery. So let's begin. Okay, selectors. There are several selectors. First one is the selector with star point. Star means select all. Select all means all the HTML are gonna selected by this argument. And element name like paragraph, div, span, input, this can be selected by only just put the name. And the element id, if you put some id in HTML or elements, you can put hashtag on it and you can select it. And next one is element class. Element class, if you put some classes in elements of a HTML page, you can select it by this point option. This point you can see, you can select this. Okay. And attribute contain all the things in the HTML, like attribute type, name equal to something, id equal to something. These are the attributes. An element type, you can select by the element type, like a type actually text, submit. These are the this you can see in input options. If you put input in a HTML page, you can select it by this two columns and element type, and all the text, all the buttons are selected like this. Okay, let's begin with. Okay, I'm using the Visual Studio Code editor. Let's make a HTML file. Okay, no, okay, new one. Let's save it. Introduction jQuery file. Introduction. Let's make it HTML. Okay, save this here, and I'm gonna make simple HTML page. I'm gonna pause this video to reduce the time. Okay, I just make a simple HTML. Okay, I'm gonna include JavaScript file. Okay, I'm going to the file. I already downloaded jQuery minimum version. Okay, you can download it from. Okay, let's search in Google. Just type jQuery, you can get easily. Type this. Okay, can you see the download option here? Just click it. We need compressed version because I don't want to increase the space. Okay, compressed version. You can also download uncompressed version, which is bigger in size. You can see. Okay, download page. You can see I downloaded it, but I don't need right now because I already put in here. I'm gonna select the name, copy, go to the Visual Studio Code, and you can see all the codes of jQuery minimum version. I don't need now. I'm gonna include it by this chess. Okay, save it. Let's check whether it's working or not. Yeah. Okay, just go to the browser. Here is my file. You can see it's working. Now I'm gonna do something like this to help you out. Okay, about selectors. I'm gonna pause this video to include some other HTML. Okay, you can see I already prepared the framework of HTML. You can copy by this. You pause the video and copy this script to help you out. Okay, about selector, I'm going to jQuery. Just use $sign. This portion and this portion works same. Okay, just use $sign, and what I ever tell you that you can select all by star. I'm going to use star and point class or CSS. Okay, background color, let's put some yellow. Let's check it's working or not. Okay, save. Okay, let's refresh this page, and you can see HTML. Along with the HTML, all the DOM element are changed into yellow. Background color is changed into yellow. Next selector I'm gonna tell you about is select element. Select by element name. Element, what element is here? You have element div, paragraph. Under the list, form, input, all the name tag you see are the element name. Okay, I'm gonna use P. You don't need any mark for element name. You just put the element name. Okay, like CSS. If you know the CSS, how the selector of the CSS work, you can easily do this. Okay, just save this and let's see. Okay, all the paragraphs are selected here. Let's select all the list. Okay, you can see all the list are selected. Okay, you can select anything, whatever the name tag is. Let's select input. Okay, input, save. Okay, you can see all the input are background color change into yellow. And another selector by the ID. You can see I put several ID on almost every HTML. Okay, let's select third paragraph. Okay, ID third paragraph. What I tell you about select to select ID, use hashtag. Okay, hashtag and the name third p. Okay, and you can see third p is here, and refresh this page. You can see the change the background color of the third paragraph. Okay, let's select list number 4, L4. Hashtag should be same because id is list id. Okay, L4. Okay, I'm going to select list number 4, which is Amber Heard. Okay, and next selector is class. Okay, I'm gonna select by class. To select the class, you need to use point. Okay, I use point and the class. I use class hero h to second paragraph and also give list number 2 hero h class. Okay, those who have the hero h class are gonna selected by this point option. Okay, let's put hero. The element who have the class hero h are gonna change the background color into yellow. Let's see. Second paragraph and second list. Okay, I'm save this. Okay, second paragraph and second list. Just see the color is changed, and the last one is select by type. Type you can only see in input and script type. Okay, you cannot select the script because it's the script, but input you can select input because input appears in the DOM. Okay, type. Okay, those who type is button. Okay, button I'm gonna select it. Okay, yeah, button selected. Those who type password. Okay, password are gonna selected. It is not working, maybe something wrong. Okay, password. Okay, I maybe did wrong spell. Yeah, WRD password. Okay, yeah, you can see the password. Okay, that's how you select everything in the DOM. There are several options, and another one I forget to tell about. Okay, select by element. Okay, the element like id, name, class, name, id, name. Okay, type, element. Select by element, you can select anything. This option is for everything, you can select everything. Okay, just use two brackets. Okay, and put the any element. Okay, I'm gonna use class is equal to hero h. All the class who have hero h, the attribute class in the DOM whose class is hero h are gonna selected. Okay, You can select anything by these options. Okay, see the hero edge. You can also select IDs by this option. Okay, ID is equal to second para, second para. Okay, save this. Okay, yeah, you can select second para is selected. Okay, you can also use name here. You can select anything. Okay, it's not compulsory. One thing you cannot select is tag name, element name. Okay, cannot put the p is equal to something. Okay, let's name is Austin. Name Austin. Okay, Austin. Save this. You can say this. Third paragraph name is Austin. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. Now select by giving additional selector. You can see the first one. Select all the paragraph, but here is the condition whose ID is JSON. Okay, select all the paragraph, but select whose name is my first paragraph. Select all the list whose class is my class 1. Select all the input, but I only want to select whose name is first button. These are the additional selectors. If you, this is like a condition. Select all the elements, but again you put some condition to select the specific one. This is also important. Let's carry on to go to an Visual Studio Code. Here I'm gonna do this. Okay, first let's talk about list. Here I'm selecting all the list. Okay, yeah, okay, and now about additional, put the bracket here. Here I'm giving the condition. Select all the lists but specific one whose ID is L3. Okay, let's check this. Okay, and select. Sorry, you can see the third list is selected. And let's talk about the paragraph. Here select all the paragraph, but I'm gonna give the additional info. Here select all the paragraph, but whose class is hero edge. Select that. Okay, class is hero edge. Okay, this is gonna select, this is gonna first going to check the all the paragraph and check whether the class is hero edge. It's gonna select this. This is very useful to navigate the HTML. Okay, let's see. Okay, next. Okay, next I'm gonna talking about hierarchy selector. How you can give the information where is the HTML or the element located. Yeah, sorry, HTML locator. Okay, the ancestor and descendant. The first, I'm going to explain this. Okay, here the select the paragraph, go inside and see is there any attribute name. First one, is there any attribute ID is first one. Go to li list to list all the list and go inside the attribute and see that there is another element whose class is first class. Okay, and select the ID second paragraph, go inside to the span and go inside whose name is 30. Okay, I'm gonna explain this by the Visual Studio Code. Okay, I'm gonna change some of the element in the HTML to explain. Okay, I'm gonna pause this video to reduce the time. Okay, I make some changes. I put span inside span element and also put I option, which is italic. I change this first list. I will include a span element. Inside the span I put a attribute. Okay, let's check. First check. Let's check this. Reload this page. You can see the cursive one, the lucky one, and my link. Okay, I'm gonna select 3 of this in different way. Just go to the jQuery here and go includes this paragraph whose inside element is span and select the span. Okay, you can see the paragraph who have a span element and that span are going to select it. This is the last selector and this is the navigate. I'm going to navigate toward this. Okay, and next one is paragraph whose inside element is I, means italic, and selector will be I. The main element would be I. Select would be I. Okay, save this and I'm just navigating this. I'm just navigating toward the specific element. And now the complex one. Okay, select list number 1, go inside span, go inside and select the A element. Okay, here you can see the background color is going to change. Okay, just reload this page. And next one is additional. You can put 2 or more selector along with one argument. Okay, this is for navigating. You can also put space just work the same, but if you could use this arrow, this is going to helpful to you. Okay, for the next one is plus and okay, plus, and also you can use the comma. I'm going to use comma because it's more helpful. Okay, let's select this all the paragraph and plus all the list. Okay, it's not working just because I am using plus. I should use comma. Comma is must. Okay, let's see. Okay, all the paragraph and all the list except this. Let's select paragraph and the inputs. Okay, input. Okay, paragraphs and input. Select. Okay, let's put id second paragraph and comma. Select all the list. Paragraph second and all the list. Okay, paragraph second and all the list. You can see the selection. Okay, that's it. Next one is positional selector. You can select the element and specify what you want to select, the first one or the last one. Like I also give examples. Select all the paragraph but the first one. Okay, only select the first one, and select all the paragraph but the last one. Here came the argument. Select all the list and select all the list and last one. Let's check this out, these examples. Check it out. Okay, select all the paragraph but first one would be this one. Okay, let's put last one. Last one. You can select the last. You can also check it out by list. Sorry. Yeah, okay, list also is working the same. Okay, that's how you can do it. Just push first and last. You can select. Just easy. Let's see experiment something. Select all the list. If you know about the arrays, how the array work, you can know what I'm doing. No, it's not working. Oh. Whatever, first and last. And next one is jQuery filters. The elements whose contains the text. The element nodes have selector like id class. Okay, let's check it out in k. Select all the list, but contains, you have to use the double column. Contains, you have to put the text. Here contains Taylor set. Okay, it should be correct. Let's see the Taylor set. Taylor set, both are same. Okay, select all the list, but the text content should be the same. Yeah, okay, you see select all the list, but the contents Taylor set contains with the inner text of the element should be Taylor set. Then it's gonna change in the background color into yellow. Okay, let's check it out. Second one. Okay, which is not id is L3. id is L3. Let's check this out. Not working. Okay, it's not. Let's put name. Select all the list, but except whose element is not the name. Okay, there's no name here. Oh my god. Let's check. Okay, research about it. Okay, you have to put the selector. Thus, like the selector like list. We use a hashtag for id. We use a point for class. Okay, let's put some selector. Select all the list, but class is hero h. What we put what is the selector of the class hero h would be point hero h. Okay, you have to put selectors in it. This like the list whose class is not hero h, whose class is not hero h are going to be selected. This JSON Deruler class is hero h. Okay, let's put another one. Okay, whose id is L4 is not L4. Okay, id should be selected by hashtag L4. The list whose id is not L4 is going to be change the color. Sorry. You can see the change. This change the color. Okay, now I'm going to talking about chaining. Chaining are the methods you put single selector or double selectors. Okay, method you can put one method in one selector and numerous method in one selector, and this is the maybe there is a limit, but you can set maximum 10 to 12. jQuery have the limit, or JavaScript have limit. Everything has limit. You cannot access the limit. Okay, let's check about this chaining options. So I'm talking about chaining thing. You can see I chained this selector by the CSS. Background color yellow. Let's put another one. Let's put ID. Okay, hashtags, second paragraph. This thing is called chaining thing. I put one thing, you can put also gonna put several things. Okay, for now it's just it. I save this file. Let's run it. Okay, it's working, and I'm gonna put another one. Just put dot here. You can see intelligent. This is the amazing features of Visual Studio Code. I personally love this Visual Studio Code because it has the intelligence of everything. Let's put another one. Okay, let's put one operation. Before I also gonna put CSS. So gonna put CSS. Okay, color is going to be red. Save this. Okay, let's save this and check it on the browser. Okay, you see the background color change and the color also change. This is the chaining substance. I also wanna chain another option. Okay, dot on click, run the function, okay, let's alert something. Alert, I am just change something. Okay, let's check it out. So I just save this file. Okay, and I just put on operation. Let's select this. Oh, can see the chaining is working. That's how you chain element. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, just put a thumbs up. Thank you.